Welcome to our video on choosing the best operating system for your computer. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is right for you. In this video, we will be discussing the pros and cons of some of the most popular operating systems, including Windows, macOS, ChromeOS, FreeBSD, and Android OS. We'll also be looking at some statistics and examples to help you make an informed decision. So, whether you're a power user, a casual user, or something in between, this video will have something for you. Thanks for watching. Windows. When it comes to operating systems, Windows is one of the most popular choices. It has been around for decades and is used by many businesses and individuals around the world. Windows has a wide range of features and is compatible with most software and hardware. One of the main advantages of Windows is that it is very user-friendly. The interface is easy to navigate, and the operating system is designed to be easy to use. Additionally, Windows is a great choice for those who need to run specific software that is only available on Windows. Another advantage of Windows is that it is very customizable. You can change the look and feel of the operating system to suit your needs, and there are many third-party tools available to help you do this. However, Windows does have some drawbacks. One of the main issues is that it can be prone to viruses and malware. Additionally, Windows can be quite resource-intensive, which means that it may not perform well on older or less powerful computers. Windows 11 is the latest version of Windows, which was released in 2021. It is a major update to Windows 10, with new features such as improved security, better touch screen support, and performance. macOS. macOS is the operating system that is used on Apple's Macintosh computers. It has a reputation for being sleek and stylish and is a popular choice among creative professionals and designers. One of the main advantages of macOS is that it is very stable and reliable. The operating system is designed to work well with Apple's hardware, which means that it is less prone to crashes and other issues. Additionally, macOS is known for its excellent security features, which make it less vulnerable to viruses and malware. Another advantage of macOS is that it is very user-friendly. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, and the operating system is designed to be easy to use. Additionally, macOS is a great choice for those who need to run specific software that is only available on macOS. However, macOS does have some drawbacks. One of the main issues is that it is not as customizable as Windows. Additionally, macOS can be quite expensive, as Apple's hardware is generally more expensive than its Windows counterparts. ChromeOS. ChromeOS is a lightweight operating system that is based on the Google Chrome web browser. It is designed to be used primarily with web-based apps and services and is a popular choice among students and those who use their computers primarily for web browsing and email. One of the main advantages of ChromeOS is that it is very fast and lightweight. The operating system is designed to be used with web-based apps and services, which means that it is less resource-intensive than other operating systems. Additionally, ChromeOS is known for its excellent security features, which make it less vulnerable to viruses and malware. Another advantage of ChromeOS is that it is very user-friendly. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, and the operating system is designed to be easy to use. In conclusion, the operating system you choose will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Windows is the most popular operating system, but it is not free and can be more vulnerable to viruses and malware. macOS is known for its sleek design and user-friendly interface, but it is more expensive than Windows and not compatible with as much software and hardware. Linux is a free and open-source operating system that is known for its stability, security, and flexibility, but it can be more difficult to learn and use than Windows and macOS. Consider how you intend to use your computer as well as your budget. Thank you for watching our video on choosing the best operating system for your computer. We hope that this video has provided you with the information you need to make an informed decision. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.